Good morning, children. Good to see you all again after a long back. Today we will continue the topic in science. Your fourth heading is grains. Okay, what is grains? A grain, it will be small and it will feel hard to touch. Dry, it will be a dry seed. Each grain will be protected with or without a husk. It encloses the seed inside it. It is harvested for human or animal consumption. The two main types of grain crops are cereals and legumes. So a cereal is any grass cultivated for the edible components. Example, rice, wheat, barley, corn, oats, etc. So legumes are green pea, chickpea, soybean, then peanuts. These belongs to legumes. Okay, so grain is a small hard dry seed. Each grain will be is protected by a husk, and the husk encloses the seed. Two main types of commercial grain crops are cereals and legumes. Wheat, maize, rice, beans, peas, barley and millets are some of the whole grains. So first topic is we are going to see about wheat. Wheat is one of the world's most commonly consumed cereal grains. Whole grain wheat are rich source of various antioxidants, vitamins, minerals and fiber. Wheat is a major ingredient in food such as bread, porridge, biscuits, pancakes, pasta, noodles, pastries, everything. Okay, so this is the most important crop in the world. Whole wheat is important because it is rich in fiber, vitamins and minerals. Wheat products are breads, cakes, pasta, wheat germ and cracked wheat. Then the next one is maize. Maize, also called corn, it is a cereal grain. Okay, it is first domesticated in southern Mexico about 10,000 years ago. Yellow or colored corn. So you may have some brownish color corn also. Yellow or colored corn may promote eye health. It will be promoting your eyesight. Okay. So maize contains a high level of starch, oils and also it is rich in proteins, calcium, zinc, iron, magnesium, vitamins such as A, C, E, which is very important for humans' health. Yes or no, children? It is also used as sweetener. So corn syrup is used as sweetener instead of sugar in many products. So maize products are sweet corn, breakfast cereal, tortilla chips, taco, maize oil. So these things are the maize products. Okay, see, in many tropical and subtropical countries like Mexico and America, maize is the main food that people eat. It is also known as corn. Maize oil is extracted from for corn cooking. Yellow or colored corn may promote eye health. It is also a rich source of many vitamins and minerals. Corn syrup is used as a sweetener instead of sugar in many products. Maize products are sweet corn, breakfast cereal, tortilla chips, taco and maize oil. We have seen about maize and now we'll see about rice. So we all know what is maize, wheat, rice. We are having all these things in our day-to-day life. Yes or no? We are using it. We are consuming it. Yes or no, children? Yes. So next come to rice. It is a type of grass. So you might have seen the growth of rice. It is a type of grass. It is third highest worldwide production after sugarcane and maize. For the top production is sugarcane and maize. After that, the third production is third worldwide production after sugarcane and maize is this rice. Okay, rice is the most widely consumed staple food for a large part of the world's human population, especially in Asia. In Asia, there are varieties of rice: white rice, brown rice, short grain rice, long grain rice, all these things. So white rice we are consuming mostly white rice. So now it contains essential nutrients like calcium, iron. Brown rice, it is also contains more nutrients, and it provides greater health benefits than this white rice. Okay, so it is very healthier. This brown rice is very healthier than white rice. Okay, so then you see, rice is a type of grass. It is produced worldwide after sugarcane and maize. Large parts of the world's human population, especially people in Asia, have this as their main food. 90%. So 90% of the world's rice population production is in Asia, in our continent. Okay. So white rice contains a few essential nutrients. Brown rice is a whole grain that contains the fibrous bran. So brown rice is usually considered much healthier than white rice. Rice idli, idiyappam and rice aval or flattened rice are the food items prepared from rice. Okay, so these are the food items prepared out of this rice. Okay, then coming to millets. What is millets? Millets are a group of highly variable small seeded. It will be very small seeded grasses. Okay, it belongs to a group of small seeded grasses. It is widely grown around the world as cereal crops or grains for either as fodder and human food. Okay, so fodder means it is given to domestic animals. So as you all know very well, it is given as fodder and also it for human consumption. It is rich in protein, fiber, vitamins and minerals. And few millet products are sorghum, foxtail millet, it is set as kora, finger millet, ragi, then millet, arki, little millet, sama, pearl millet, bajra, barnyard millet, it is sanva. Okay, so millets are a group of small seeded grasses. They are widely grown around the world as cereal crops for fodder and human food. It helps in weight loss. It is rich in fiber, not only fiber, vitamins, proteins, minerals, etc. Some of the millet products are sorghum. So the sorghum, foxtail millet, it is said to be kora, finger millet, it is said to be ragi, pearl millet, it is said to be bajra, barnyard millet is said to be sanva, kodo millet, it is said to be arki, then little millet, it is said to be sama. Okay, so this is all about the grains. Okay, so I'll see you in the next class with the next topic. Okay, thank you.